Urban Initiatives Fund is a national family of funds created and managed by American Ventures Corporation. This highly regarded institutional money manager created the fund to allow investors to take advantage of the profitable opportunities that exist in redeveloping America's downtowns.
This fund is not about charity, and it's certainly not only focused on altruism. The reality is that this fund can produce returns, taking advantage of opportunities in the redeveloping downtowns around the country that are both impressive for investors and important to the cities we develop in.
Urban redevelopment projects around the country, ranging from worker housing to urban lofts to pedestrian-friendly retail centers, have enjoyed tremendous success, primarily because of people reconnecting with America's downtowns. This trend is expected to continue for many reasons, including strong demand for urban lifestyle, continuing investment in mixed-use neighborhoods, and lower infrastructure costs. Public sector support can be a critical ally to urban core redevelopment. This support often results in faster permitting, valuable incentives, and higher levels of municipal services, all of which contribute to a safer investment environment.
It takes enlightened public officials who understand what development means to their downtowns and use progressive public policy to reinforce those kinds of development patterns and strategies that make downtowns like Miami, like Albuquerque, and others around this country successful for investment.
Anytime you're developing in a downtown area in the urban core, it presents challenges, obviously, particularly in areas that had not been developed before, and that's where the role of the public sector comes in to help out. But also, the Urban Initiatives Fund provides the kind of capital to the private developer that fills certain gaps, that fills holes that otherwise would not allow the development to go forward. And that's why it helps us get through those obstacles. It helps us get through those challenges by providing this very, very necessary capital to the private development world.
Money talks. You can't build things without it. And frankly, the public sector can't do it all. And so this is unique. This provides capital from foundation money and private banking money so that the developed business people can do what they do best, and that's make money and create jobs.
The Urban Initiatives Fund enables investors to capitalize on investment opportunities efficiently through a well-managed and diversified fund.
We carefully assessed the risk inherent in this product, and we developed a brand of mezzanine debt that charges a fixed rate of return with loan term structure to minimize our risk. After we developed this product, we talked to a lot of developers and learned that they really prefer it because it provides an efficient source of capital and it can be deployed flexibly so that they can react to market conditions. Because it's so attractive to developers, we're able to select the most favorable projects in the market and focus on preservation of capital through very strict underwriting and structuring, all while targeting a net return to our investors of 10 to 14%.
To demonstrate how the fund serves as a catalyst for urban redevelopment, the following is a 5-minute case study of the Urban Initiatives Fund and its role in the redevelopment of downtown Albuquerque. The oldest, most storied, and meaningful part of any great American city is its downtown urban core. It's there that our city's identities were first formed and their histories played out. But after decades of flight, neglect, decay, and many well-intentioned but flawed redevelopment initiatives, urban America as we knew it is in danger of being lost forever. And with it, our idea of what a great downtown should be. Fortunately, many cities across the country are devising excellent strategies for how the urban core should be redeveloped. Albuquerque, New Mexico is an example of such a city.
For generations, for centuries, real estate's been a 40-year asset class. What we've done over the last 50 years is we've turned it into a 7-year asset class. And that's why we build suburban sprawl. It's throwaway stuff. You build it because it's going to be thrown away in 7 to 10 years. Well, we want to build stuff downtown that's going to last for the ages.
The new vision, to transform downtown Albuquerque into a dynamic, pedestrian-oriented cultural center for retail, entertainment, business, the arts, and housing. At the heart of this new vision would be the Gold Avenue Lofts, a unique 6-story structure with street-level retail space, second-floor office space, and residential loft condominiums. A catalyst for people and business to move downtown again. To fund this innovative new vision, an equally innovative approach was needed, one that delivers capital to urban core projects. This new capital source is the Urban Initiatives Fund, created by American Ventures Corporation. The fund enables inner-city development by providing much-needed capital to developers of urban redevelopment projects. In the case of Gold Avenue Lofts, providing gap financing to satisfy the requirements of the project's lead lender, Wells Fargo Bank.
You have to have equity capital in order to do a loan transaction because there are certain ratios you have to meet, and so that's where they fulfill the need, is they put in equity capital into projects in downtown urban environments. And I admire the people that got started the fund to being visionary.
This is the first fund of its kind in the country that provides capital to developers in regions around the country to do the right thing, but expecting of those developers returns which are market-based.
Well, we're excited about being able to work with the Urban Initiatives Fund because it gives us a source of capital that heretofore we haven't seen at a reasonable rate in a way that allows development to happen. It's money that you couldn't get it with a venture capitalist at similar rates. And it's the difference between a project going or not going.
Not only is there short-term profit here because everyone that's partnering in this will make money, but there's long-term profit. It's how you grow great cities. This is really part of what a great city does to care for itself.
Through a progressive agreement with the city of Albuquerque, the developers of the Gold Avenue Lofts are redeveloping the city's entire historic district, and the Urban Initiatives Fund is providing the capital to make it happen. This effective partnership is proof that our downtowns needn't be lost, that region by region and city by city, urban America can be won back, redeveloped and revitalized by combining a new vision of what a great downtown should be with a new approach to bringing that vision to life. The Urban Initiatives Fund is that new approach. By offering investors strong returns through a highly regarded investment manager, the fund has introduced new capital to urban core projects, allowing individuals, foundations, banks, and other investors to do very well while doing good. The Urban Initiatives Fund is a national family of funds that is being rolled out regionally over the coming months. For more information about the New Mexico Urban Initiatives Fund or any other fund throughout the country, please contact American Ventures Corporation at 305-569-9500.